Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over fair value gaps and how I use them, how I look for them, and how I manipulate them into getting into trades. So with that being said, um, I'm going to go over this last trade that I entered because I used that strategy for that. So first things first, we got this 12H sweep here, which is this wick right here on this candle. Look where my that was a good close on that. When we got that, I was like, all right, it might be time to start looking for longs. So after that, started looking in the lower time frames. Went to the 1 hour. Actually, no, sorry. Um, this was on the daily. So yeah, we got that sweep on the daily. So then I zoomed into the 12H, and on the 12H we got this right here, this fair value gap, which is literally where that wick went into and closed above that liquidity sweep, right? So after that happened, after we got that 12-hour close that swept that liquidity into this fair value gap, I was like, all right, let's look for some longs in the smaller time frames. Let's look for signs of reversals. So I went into the 1H, and then on the 1H, we got this displacement here with a strong close above previous highs that came back down and retested, and then we broke above. My entry was literally on this candle, and so far so good. That's basically it, really. Like once we go into a fair value gap and we dip into this like this, that's taking out major liquidity. So we took out these lows here, took out these lows here, and then we took out these here. We almost took out these ones also. But with that being said, that's basically it. I will go into the smaller time frames after a sweep like that into FVG, sorry, and then I will just look for signs of entries. You could have literally done the same thing on the 15-minute here. We got the displacement on this candle and multiple retest. One, two, and then three. Um, and then the break above, boom, and then my entry. Uh, but yeah, it's that's basically how I use fair value gaps. Obviously, always look from up down, and yeah, that's basically it. This should sweep these highs here. These are almost equal highs right here. This one and this one. We should, even if we don't make new all-time highs, we should get close to, or at least take this out. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's basically how I enter fair value gaps. I hope this helped you guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.